now we're going to make my salmon fish fingers, which are completely delicious. And if your children don't normally eat salmon, I'm sure that they'll eat these. So to start off with, we're going to make our breading station. So I'm going to put some plain flour. I find it easier when I'm doing these breading stations to do them in little tubs, because when there's a bit of depth, I find it easier to coat them. So I'm just going to put plain flour in, and then I'm going to season my flour with some salt and pepper. And then I'm just going to give that a quick mix round. Just make sure it's all combined. And then I've got 2 eggs beaten in the second tub, and then in this third tub I'm going to put my breadcrumbs, but I'm going to mix with that some parmesan. I told you these were going to be delicious. And then also the zest of a lemon. And then I'm going to give that all a mix. Now we've got our breading station ready. I've got my tray lined with baking parchment, and here I've got some beautiful salmon fillets. So basically this was a 1 kilogram side of salmon, which if you're cooking for quite a lot, it's more cost effective to buy a whole side. And then I just got my fishmonger to take the skin off, debone it, and then cut it into individual fillet sizes. So to begin with, I'm going to put my salmon into the flour, make sure it's all coated. Shake off any excess, into the egg, shake off the excess, and then into our parmesan breadcrumbs. Make sure it's all coated, and then onto the baking tray. So we're just going to keep repeating until we've done it with all our salmon fingers. Into the egg, shake off the excess, and into the breadcrumbs. Okay, there we go. So these are going to go in an oven around 220 degrees, really hot oven, for only around 15 minutes until they're lovely and golden and crunchy. So our fish fingers have been in the oven now for around 15 to 20 minutes, so let's see if they're ready. These look fantastic. Let's just serve up the first lot and then we'll go back for the second. Perfect and crispy and golden. See how lovely and golden they are underneath as well. Let's get our second tray. Perfectly cooked. So there you have it, my salmon fish fingers.